Learn about solenoid. What is a solenoid? Actually, solenoid means uh, conducting wire wound closely in the form of a helix, conducting insulated wire. So, this is an example of solenoid. This is made up of a conducting wire, and this should be insulated and wound closely. They form a cylindrical shape. This is looks like a cylinder, and this structure is called helical structure. You can call it a spring-like structure, no problem. And today we will find a magnetic field inside the solenoid. And to find the magnetic field, we will use Ampere circuit law. So for that, if it is a solenoid, we know that if current in one end of a solenoid is clockwise, it has to be anti-clockwise from other end. And any loop where current is clockwise, it behaves like a south pole. And any loop where current is anti-clockwise, it behaves like a north pole. And as we know, magnetic lines of force is directed inside the solenoid from south to north, and outside the solenoid it is north to south. So we need to find magnetic field inside the solenoid. So the direction of the magnetic field is from south to north. Clear? And we will use Ampere circuit law. To use some Ampere circuit law, we need a loop, and we are free to choose any kind of loop. And we are here choosing a loop ABCD, which is in rectangle in shape. So AB, which is parallel to the magnetic field, and BC, which is perpendicular to the magnetic field, also CD parallel to the magnetic field, and AD perpendicular to the magnetic field. So loop integral ABCD from Ampere circuit law, we know B dot del L must be equal to mu naught I. And what is I? I is the total current inside the loop. Now, if L is the length of the rectangle, L be the length of the rectangle, and if N be the number of turns per unit length, then length L will trap, then length L will trap N into L turns, because N is the length per N is the number of turns per unit length, and if the total length, that is 1 meter, will trap N number of turns, and L length will trap N into L number of turns, N into L, and each turn has current I. So the total current I trapped will be NLI. I am using here a capital I, the total current, IT, total current. So from Ampere circuit law, ABCD, B dot del L must be equal to mu naught, and total current is total number of turns, MNL, total number of turns, and each turn contains I current, so MNLI, right? Now we are breaking B del L, and this must be equal to unit. So ABCD, so from A to B, BL, plus from B to C, B dot del L, B to C, B dot del L, plus C to D, B dot del L, all vectorial. From D to A, D to A again, A to B, D to A, B dot del L must be equal to mu naught NLI. Now A to B, it is B is constant. Because inside the solenoid the B magnetic field is constant if the turn density is constant and current is constant. So B is constant. So B will come out of integration sign and del L. So B dot del L, and B and del L, B and L are in same direction. So cos 0 degree. So cos 0 degree is 1. So B del L cos 0 degree. So it is del L cos 0 degree. Del L cos 0 degree plus B dot del L. Here B is in this direction. B is in this direction, and for BC del L is perpendicular. Any length del L if you consider, that is perpendicular to B. So if you perpendicular to D means if you break it, it is going to be B del L cos 90 degree. So it is going to be B to C B del L cos of 90 degree plus A to B, D to A, B to C, C to D, C to D, C to D. Here C to D, which is just outside the solenoid, and just outside the solenoid the magnetic field is 0. Just outside the solenoid magnetic field is 0. So it is going to be 0 del L for C to D. C to D, and for C to D it is 0 del L for C to D, and there again for D to A, again it is 90 degree from D. For D to A, B is in this direction and DA is in this direction. So B and DA is perpendicular to each other. So we will write B del L, that is B dot del L into cos 90 degree D to A, and this is equal to mu naught N L I. So you see that these three terms are 0. This is 0 due to cos 90 degree. This is 0 due to, because just outside the solenoid, CD length, it is just outside the solenoid, and just outside the solenoid magnetic field is 0. Remember it, just outside the solenoid magnetic field is 0. So it is 0, so integration will be 0, and here again cos 90 degree, so it is 0. So only this term is left, and here B is constant. So B into cos 0 degree 1, B into A to B del L cos 0 degree is 1, mu naught N L I, and del L for length del L, it is going to be L, and what is this length? AB. So it is going to be length AB. So length AB means length L, and this is equal to mu naught N L I, and here your L and L cancels. So what is your field? Your field is equal to mu naught N I. So this is the magnetic field which is inside the solenoid, and if this is a solenoid and if I current passes through this solenoid, the magnetic field inside the solenoid is going to be mu naught N I.